Hello and welcome back to the second episode of the series Exploring SAP S4HANA until my credit goes out. Back to the GCP screen. Right now I have consumed 9,435 rupees out of 28,365. I have logged in for a couple of hours, but most of the time it's sitting idle. The most of the costs are getting consumed by the large SSD that we have of 800 GB. We have some runway to go. Let's explore SAP S4HANA. Okay, so I have logged into my system. In the last video you saw we created a contract account and a business partner. So today we are going to create a FICA document. Let's see how does that goes. I'll go to /n FPE1. Here we have two documents, YA and YB. These are the standard document types. So I'll pick YA and create the reconciliation key. Okay, so my business partner was 1000249. Okay, and amount, let's say, is $2,000. That is fine. We'll give them. So here already automatically the contract account is determined, and we have the main transaction and the sub transaction. Okay, so let's give some main transaction and sub transaction. Here let's give a main transaction, maybe SD documents. Like imagine that you got the, maybe we will try for, okay, let's try for the SD documents, and sub transaction I will give HD invoice. Okay, manual posting not allowed. Specify a tax jurisdiction key. Okay, so I don't know, let's try something else here. What is this charge? Let's say I'll put charge and sub transaction. Oh man, and sub transaction I'm going to give, sub transaction is no charge I can't put. This is like LPC charge, so let's avoid that for now. What else we have here? Some standard, something should be right. Budget billing, CI, cost CI. Okay, shall I put CI one once? Budget billing. Okay, down payment request, partial bill. Okay, not this, maybe something else. Okay, let's put this other receivable. No, the receivables. Okay, specify a tax jurisdiction key. Default values have been reset. Specify a tax jurisdiction key. Why this error is coming? Okay, specify a tax jurisdiction key. If I go in this, if I double tap and click on details, is there any tax jurisdiction? Here it is there. Texas tax code is 01. Let me check what are the existing documents are there, so how they are, right? So FPL9. Okay, so here we have one contract account, CA US01, this one, right? Let's see. So here if you see, there is a, here in the other receivable credit also they have one, these invoices which are open, correct? So let's open this. Here segment they have added 1000, which is fine. After that maybe we can add that. Here also it's fine. So O1 is there. Tax date. Okay, payment data, running data, additional data, account determination ID is Y1. Okay, that is coming from my contract account, so that should be fine. Okay, let's see this segment. Okay, segment I'm going to use the same 1000. Okay, let's add the quick cut paste. Okay, this is the segment, and then we have a tax jurisdiction for Texas. So here we had the Texas one. This is the one. But I have already given the tax jurisdiction key, right? What do you mean by tax code? Okay, O0 AR sales tax exempt. Let's try this one. Coming as O1 only. The same only I'm giving. So why still it is some problem? Amount, GL amount. Here I have the tax data. Tax jurisdiction is this. What is the for that one? I don't think it will work. So if I remove this, what is the segment here? This is coming automatically, this one. Tax jurisdiction key. Is there, am I missing some data or something? Partner. I don't know. I don't know what I'm missing here. Company code is 1710. This is good. Shall I just /o, let me go and check the my master data /o BP. Let's first check that 1000249. And here financial services PP, we have the company code and we have two company codes here, 1710 and 27 US 01. Okay, there is nothing here also. Contract partner is fine. Contract partner also, this is the tax jurisdiction code I have. Payment transaction status, taxes is manual entry. Okay, let me go back. Data will be lost. Do you want to end the transaction? Yes. Okay, one more time I'll go to FPE1. Here I'll put manual entry. Oh, here let's put tax reporting date as today, yesterday's date. Okay, YA. Okay, let's put today's date. Fine. Now I'll put 249 1000249. Amount is 2000. Okay, Y60 and 0020. Oh yeah, now it's working. I think the date that was the date we need to give there. So now it's coming. And the GL is also getting determined, but this tax base amount is 0.00. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go back here again. Instead of the manual entry, we will try the calculate automatically. Okay, tax jurisdiction. Okay, let me uncheck this. What happens? Okay, here if I put YA, and now business partner is there, amount is there, main transaction, sub transaction. Okay, so it's still saying a specify tax jurisdiction key, and if I go here, which is everything is already there, but still I don't know why that is a problem. Tax amount, specify tax jurisdiction key. So okay, let's back again. I'll come FPE1. So that checkbox, this tax jurisdiction checkbox, and then I'll put 26. Okay, now if I do this and YA, okay, and enter business partner, amount, main transaction, sub transaction. Yeah, only when this I am putting. So then this line is coming basically. If you see this tax code, O1 company code, tax percentage, tax base amount and amount. Now it's calculating here. Okay, so total out of 2000, it's calculating like this. Okay, if I double tap on the BP item, so I have this. Then we have a taxes here. So this taxes is coming here. Tax percentage is 6 point some percentage is there. Okay, and condition type. Okay, so this is the tax configurations that is already existing. Okay, maybe we'll come back here like to check how taxes we can configure. We'll play around on this one. Okay, but now at least we know that this is the tax amount that we have, right? Now let's put the GL. Oh sorry, do you want to end no, let's go to the GL item. Okay, can I just put propose GL item? Let's see what is happening. And are changeable. Okay, so yeah, so now automatically the GL is this is the, I think, the revenue GL that is coming, right? Build revenue. Okay, for this company code. So this is the configuration. These are, I think, coming from the C00, C000 and C0001 configurations. So now that we have all these, okay, now I will go back and I will save it. Okay, let's see. So yeah, so now the document is posted under this. So now /n FPL9, I will open my contract account, command all, and contract account is 101. Yes, so we have a $2000. This is the BP, this is the contract account, and these are empty. This is not yet cleared, correct? So now let's make a payment on top of it. But for now, we are going to check. Okay, let's check the configurations if we have anything for direct debit. Okay, so I am in FICA AMG, and it will be, I think, here inside the business transactions, automatic clearing maybe. No, not this. My payments, processing incoming and outgoing payments. Okay, payment lot. Here we have some incoming outgoing payment creation. Is this the one? Oh sorry. I think this incoming and outgoing payment creation. Here we have defined specifications for paying company code. Okay, so here we have one company code 1710, and we have some of the things here. This is your payment method, payment mediums, and determine value date. So these are some of the things are there. Okay, so there would be one configuration also, define accounts for payment program. Yes, so this is 1061, posting area 1061. So here I can see that these are the house banks that are defined, and these are mostly for company code 1710 and this one. Okay, so maybe later when we are going to do, we are going to copy from here that FPY1 for our open item. Okay, so here I'm checking the open item. Let's put the data, today's date 0206 2026. Here I'm putting TES01. Okay, okay. Then open items. Here I will be choosing my contract account 101. Okay, now let's put this contract account here, control V. Okay, company code, I know, 1710. Okay, and okay, so directly open items it will check. Due date I just put 26, net date is 26. Okay, so I will put the same command V. Okay, sorry, I'll put here. Okay, now I'll go to custom selections. I don't need that. Bank selection, that is, this is the word we need. Okay, do we have something in selection ID? Let's check that. Yes, 1710 we have. If I select here, so all of them are coming. So these are the rankings, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, for this payment method, for this payment method, but obviously it will check what is the payment method defined in our contract account. Incoming payment method is E. So for this E we have these two. I mean, I don't have to remove everything, it will automatically pick this one. This is fine. Here we can put, like, if we have a large batch job that we are scheduling, then we can have the load distribution. Like, we can create how many jobs we want to run. Okay, and here also in the parallel processing, because I did right contract accounts, I'll put this V count. Now logs, additional information, we will put all these things. Okay, all types of logs, and then yeah, this should be fine. Save it. Enter payment methods. Okay, so here I missed the payment methods. We have the E as the payment method, correct? So now save it. No consideration of payment specification with this setting. Yes, I don't have a payment specification. Okay, this is saved. Schedule program run. Okay, background start immediately. Okay, it's doing something maybe. Yeah, it's now completed. We will check the logs in the application log. Oh yeah, it's saying it's posted. I mean, it's green, but we'll check if it is actually posted or not. Yes, payable or paid is 1. So clearing document, this also is posted, which is awesome. So now if we go here and refresh it, oh sorry, not here, in the this contract account, and refresh it, we have a payment, and they both are open. No, sorry, they both are clearing directly. That payment is cleared against that one. So it's got cleared automatically, which is great news. Now we are successfully able to do a payment. Okay, what else we can do? Can we create a payment lot? Maybe. Let's go to /n fp05. Directly we'll see what things are missing, then we'll check if we can configure them. Okay, so let's put test 000 okay, so this slot is not yet created, so we'll create that. Here document type is YA. Now bank clearing account. So if I just put this, let's say this is the unapplied ones. Okay, if something is going into clarification, I think that will get posted here. And these are the normal bank account. So let's put this one, house bank. Okay, account ID, value date is correct, 26. Okay, these are automatically getting populated. Okay, and line layout I'll put SAP. Okay, now new items. Here I'm going to put the payment amount as 100, and here in the selections, right, so I'll put the contract account K. If I want to, if I can double tap on that, and I can put it on account, post on account. Anyway, it is going to be posted on account because we don't have anything. Also, like, ideally we can put some note to pay, and then we can write in one of the FICA events to interpret this note to pay. And there is a configuration, actually we don't have to go for a FICA event. Like banks, let's say they will send some values on which account or which customer this amount needs to go. For those it will basically read those texts and interpret and find out, okay, this is the contract account. Like, for in this case directly I'm putting, but yeah, we will probably try to do those things also. Okay, now I will save it. No, sorry, I'll go back, save it, go back. Okay, and go back, then close this. Okay, first we need to close this, then we can post this one. Okay, let's post it. Posting run is complete. Check status. Yes, postings have been made. So here I can go to my account now, /n fp0 /n fp L9, and then I can check. Okay, there is a $100 is there, right? So now let's create another account receivable, right? This is rightly coming as payment on account, correct? 0060 and 0010 FPE1, and I am going to put another YA. Tax jurisdiction, tax reporting date is today. Okay, and then business partner, come contract account. Sorry, that will do 2000 amount, main transaction, sub transaction. Okay, we have again, instead of 2000 I'll put maybe 1000. Okay, so we have some tax, right? And propose the GL items. Okay, so they become now 1000 and 1000. Okay, now save it. Okay, so this will now post 1001 here. Okay, and they both are open right now, right? So let's make a account maintenance for that. Okay, so for that, either I can go to here environment and account maintenance. Okay, like this, or I can, so this is also same document type, YA is coming. We will probably change, like for different things we can have different document type, but now in SAP I think it's all configured for YA, which is fine. So I'll go back now, or you can come to this same screen by using FP0 and 6 FP06. Okay, why it's coming like this? Yeah, so now if you see, yeah, now here if I open item, select on the open items. Yes, so for every transactions, every type of AR activities that we are doing, so every time there will be a reconciliation key will be created, and they will move to FICO. Okay, we'll do the FPG1. When we'll close these keys, then we will move them to FICO. So here now for $1000 here is there, and you just have to double tap on that and click again, double tap, so it becomes zero now. Once the difference is zero, so basically $100 is being applied to this. Once it is zero, then you can save it, and that is now posted, right? So now we have $900 still pending, correct? This is super easy. So now that we have something here, can we reverse a document or maybe reset clear a document, right? Let me see, /n FPL9 one more time. I'll go, this is the contract account we have, so that's fine. So if you see every document, right, we'll have like 3 dates. If you see this, one is document date, one is posting date, okay, and one will be entered on date. This is the system date. This you can't change. This will system automatically will create this date. Okay, but these 2 dates based on the business need, right, based on the like when you want to post some of the things, these 2 dates you can change programmatically. But now we are doing like change, I mean posting it on the same day, but these you can actually, let's say a document, a invoice that is from a old month invoice is being posted this month. So in that case you can put maybe document date is a old document date, but the posting date in FICA is today's date. Or maybe you want to post that on the first of the month, something like that. So those kind of things you can change here. So these are the 3 dates that we have. So basically if you see, all in all, we did created a PY1 run, we created a payment lot, and also we have some debit entries posted, right? And we have $900 still open. What I want to do is to get rid of this account maintenance document. So if you see, we have this particular one, 62 and 62. Okay, so if I select this and filter this one, right, so these are the 2 clearing documents. So if I open this in FPE3, okay, so here if you show, these are the 2, this is the debit and credit, right? This is, it's using the same I mean sorry, why it's basically this amount that came, right, 660 and 10, this is the incoming payment, correct? That got applied to this AR receivable, right? So these, like this, you will see we can have a different document type to represent account maintenance. If you go to here, actually in the origin here, you will see these are origins are specifically to distinguish what are the different types of origins that we have, like from where it is coming, right? So we created this one by account maintenance, so that's why it is 3. But if you check some of the other things, so for example this payment on account, so if you go to the header here, right, so here if you see origin is 05 payment lot, some of the things that we created manually, right? So this $2000, so you will see that it is a manual edit, like see manual posting. Okay, so here if you see this one, CI invoicing, if it comes from a CI invoicing, right? There are multiple things, multiple ways we can add here, or you can have your own origin also. Like if you want to identify something, that also you can do that. I will try to explore one thing called Lassen FP 07, and I will try to reset clear a document. Okay, so this was the reset clearing document account. This was the account maintenance which I want to reset clear. Okay, so here I'll say that whole clear it. Okay, and we'll have three different things here. Where do you want to post that one? Because it's a just a account maintenance, so I will put it as create a new open item. That works. Or you can put retain distribution to account. Okay, or if it is like a payment lot and you want to clear, after you clear you want to move it to a clarification account, that also you can give here. But now I'll just put create new open item and I will try to save it. Okay, yes, so this is the document that got created, PL9. Yeah, so now they all back to normal. If you go to the settings, zero clearing, you will, if you show it, then it will actually show what happened here. So this was the account maintenance, so that got reset cleared basically by this reset cleared items, right? These two. Earlier this 62 was there, which we reset cleared, the 63 document came up. So I think you enjoyed. If you have enjoyed this much, we'll come back here and we will explore other things. Thank you. I'll be back tomorrow, or maybe in the next few days, because it's taking a lot of time to edit the videos. Thank you.